Just a little disclaimer, these videos are going to be like short fuse where you're going to see a first impressions and then a full review and then a first impressions and then a full review. I didn't do it rapidly like that intentionally. What had happened was I got a bunch of stuff in and I filmed videos and I put them in a folder I put them in the wrong folder. And so when I looked on YouTube at what content was available for you guys, I realized that there's like 4 videos that you guys didn't see. And so it was the first impressions of the Justice, the first impressions of the Convict for Kansept and Kaiser, and then the full reviews. And so they were in a separate folder. So I apologize. You're gonna get like a first impressions and then a first impressions, then a full review, then a full review, and then I'll try and figure out how I'm gonna do my 5 fast. But at any rate, I apologize. It just was something weird that I did. I just couldn't figure out where those videos went. So now let's go ahead and start the video. We're looking at today, guys, where we're going to do the first impressions of the Kansept Convict by Sheepdog Designs. So we just recently did, here just a couple weeks ago, maybe a week or so ago, we did the Deviant, which is another Sheepdog Designs. This is a little bit different. I like this a lot so far. I've only had it in my pocket maybe just today. It's mid-afternoon right now. This is an attractive knife, but I don't know how comfortable it's going to be for overall carry. So yeah, guys, you know what time it is. If you're watching on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. This is the Kansept Convict, and like I said in the intro, this came in from Jared, and it's really, really similar to that other Sheepdog design, the Deviant. I'm not sure how I feel about this one yet. It's got one of those handles that just kind of feels weird in my hand. It's probably going to grow on me. I can already tell you, and I'm going to talk about it down below, the pocket clip. I'm not such a big fan of it, but before we get into it, playing behind me is Positive Couple. It's a Russian channel. This guy makes some incredible epoxy tables and bathtubs and sinks and things like that. You can just literally watch it for hours. So that's a channel I think you guys should check out. It's a lot of fun just to relax and watch. If you're just wanting to kill some time and maybe you're just messing around on your phone and you just can put it up on your TV, it's a lot of fun. So at any rate, guys, let's turn this around and get down to it. The Kansept Convict. So let's meet you. I'll meet you guys down at the mat. Guys, this is the Kansept Convict. Now, I have called this a Kaiser like 3 times, so I've deleted all those files, but this is just some first impressions on this knife. This is kind of a plain Jane. This looks like a sailor's knife that I would have carried. Nice big sheep's foot blade. It is really thin. Now, I'm not a fan so much of the handle and pocket clip right now. Maybe it'll grow on me. We'll see when we do the full review. I do love that thumb. It's not a thumb disc, it's a thumb plate. That is attractive, and I would imagine if you wanted, let's see, is it going to get in the way? I think you honestly could, if you wanted to, turn that around and have that ambidextrous. You could put that over on the other side. I think that it's pretty much, yeah, you should be able to do it. There's no low spot or anything there. So really super useful blade. I haven't done anything with it yet. I can see that Jared definitely did, though. You can see that it's been used to cut. That's not resharpened. That's just where it has got some markings from being through the tip of it, through cardboard and stuff. And I can tell you that would be, that's, right now that I thought about that, that would be amazing. That would be incredible if you're just cutting things out, cutting paper, cutting cardboard. Nice, super straight edge, going to be easy to maintain. Those straight edges are really easy for a lot of people to do hand sharpening and things like that. I'm not sure yet how I feel about the plunge on this. It looks like it might be a little close to where that thickens. You can kind of see. I'm trying not to have to sharpen these. We'll see. I don't like to send back dull knives. I am going to use this a good bit. But yeah, like, so we talked about the blade. Now the handle, first impressions of handle, it's a little it feels like I could easily just up and over. It feels like I easily get up and over that. So sorry about that. There was a car alarm going off. I could easily get up and over that and into the blade is the way it feels, but I don't think I would. It just kind of feels, I've gotten so used to carrying other things lately that have got more like finger choil to it or like a finger guard. And I think it's because this is a non-flipper. I think that's the thing. I think it feels like that because of the way it's shaped and it's missing a flipper tab. I don't think there's any chance I would get up and over and into the blade. It just kind of feels that way. And the pocket clip is a little proud. It feels like a little bit of a hot spot. But aesthetics, guys, look at that. You didn't need to put 4 standoffs in there, but they did, and they're gorgeous. So it gives you a unique look. Just the stone wash, like a stone wash blasted and tumbled titanium. Either that or it's a super fine bead blast. I think that's actually what it is. I think it's just a super fine bead blast, like a glass blast. It looks good. Like I said, hardware being anodized bronze really, really looks nice. And it's a somewhat sculpted, it's a hybrid clip, so it's a sculpted and bent. So you get more stability. This pocket clip does not move. This is the first knife I've had in a while that pocket clip doesn't move. Other knife companies, guys, take some notes. Take some notes because that pocket clip is solid. And in and out of pants, let's go ahead and I'm wearing a pair of basketball shorts. It's just about the right tension. In basketball shorts, I haven't had them in and out of a pair of jeans yet, but usually if you don't have a problem like track pants or basketball shorts, you usually won't have too much problem. The blade on this is really well done. The finish on it is stellar. And like I said, I really like that. I find that milled thumb plate really attractive. You can see it's S35VN steel. I just noticed that. I was kind of assuming because I've had so many other knives from Kaiser and things come in that were in N690 again that I do like N690, but I kind of figured I was expecting that. So overall, it's really attractive. Like if you're into like right there, like I'm saying right there, that thumb disc, that just makes it perfect. That thumb plate, you can get right on that, do some cutting. I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. I'll get it in and out of pocket a few times. I'll get it in my rotation of things to carry, and we'll do the full review. So without any further ado, that's it on first impressions. No specs, no price or anything like that. We'll see. We'll get all of that in the full review. But that's all I got on this one right now, guys. Let's go ahead and turn this around and do some final thoughts. Guys, like I said down at the mat, just the first impressions. No specs or anything like that, but this one's a lot of fun. Like I said, I'm not sure how I feel about the handle. It doesn't feel secure in my hand. I don't know if it's just the shape or what. This is not one of those knives I'm afraid isn't just gonna not be one that I can really enjoy as much as I'd like. Aesthetically, it is beautiful. Action on it and everything is great, like I said, but pocket clip is a little uncomfortable. Guys, that's it. Like I said, first impressions are always quick. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. But please try to tell me why. I can't change the content if I don't know what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, like I support these guys by sending you their direction, that's as simple as sharing a video like I do by putting mentions and things like that. If you want to support the channel financially, you can absolutely do that. I have multiple ways you can do it. I have a membership tab down below that gets you an exclusive content, exclusive giveaways. You get early access to all the videos, you get shout outs and live feeds. I'm going to do some member only not live feeds coming up here before too long. If you can't support the channel that way, but you want to do some Amazon shopping, I have affiliate links down below that get you in. I have duplicated a lot of the tools that I use. I have a recommended list of sharpening stones. I have recommended EDC knives. And even if you don't like those items, but you clicked in through that portal, I still get access, or credit for that. And you guys are basically paying me for you doing shopping. I also have the merch store and the Ember Shirt Co. storefronts down below, where anything you purchase, I get credit for. I get a portion of the proceeds. And I have given you guys a coupon code. It's CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp. All one word. It saves you 10% at checkout. Guys, I love you all. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Please keep it clean in the comment sections. Be good to each other, and I will see you in the next video.